I would like to thank all the teachers and management team for conducting this virtual classes due to this COVID-19 pandemic. All the teachers are really working hard with these little kids to maintain the class discipline and making PPTs to deliver the classwork activities so that the online sessions could be more interesting and interactive. My special thanks to Devya ma'am, Shweta ma'am and Saurabh sir. All the teachers are really taking care of all the doubts and queries of each and every students during and after the class as well. And also they are conducting PTMs on regular basis to interact with the parents to understand their views and feedbacks as well. Thank you.
All of us are stuck in our homes and not able to go out anywhere. These online virtual classes came as boon for our kids. So, really want to thank the school management and all our teachers who are putting their efforts, who are giving their ideas and hard work. And even our kids are enjoying these video sessions. Isn't it, Pankaj?
Yes, I like the online sessions. As I don't have to go anywhere and still I am studying with the help of all of my teachers. So I thank all of them. Thank you.
Today I would like to thank all the teachers, mentors, educators who have been behind the the students during this pandemic period when the virtual classes are a mandatory thing. They are doing their best and I would like to congratulate them for all their efforts. Thank you again and I wish all the best to them.
Fortunately, Vidya Bharati School has been conducting online learning classes for students. With these classes, students are able to keep up to the mark with their regular curriculums. Sessions like storytelling, arts, dance and yoga are fun-filled and entertaining. Teachers' dedication in addressing each student's individual needs and concerns has also been praiseworthy, and it's been reflecting in the overall growth of our children. During this tough time when everyone is busy with their family and their well-being, teachers are preparing lessons for our children. I just want to thank all the teachers, school staff and management for the extra effort they have been putting in place. Thank you from the core of my heart.
Due to pandemic, schools are closed and being a parents, we all are very worried about our kids' studies. But at the right time, school has started virtual classes for our kids. It helps our kids to stay in touch with studies and day-to-day activities. I appreciate school management and all the teachers for their hard work. Thank you for teaching us also new style of studying and technology. So kids, how would you like your virtual classes?
Very nice. It's
Very, very nice.
So you want to go school also?
Yes, Mom.
Yes.
Share my views on virtual classes. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers who are putting their efforts on online classes. They are making PDFs, sending PPT regularly. They are also taking queries for each and every student regularly. I am very happy with it. I would also thanks to all the faculty members for giving this opportunity, and students can reschedule their lives. Thank you for their efforts.
Thank you, everyone. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Want to appreciate BBS for such great efforts. Daksh, you want to say anything?
Yes, this is an interesting experience for me. Thank you, BBS.
Rashika, you want to say anything about online classes?
Yes, I am happy with online classes. Thank you, BBS.
I gave my special thanks and really appreciate the efforts taken by school authorities, principal, class teacher and technical backhand staff. Our kids are future of this country. Therefore, every single day wasted due to COVID-19 a big loss for us development of an individual as well as nation. I just want to say, with the online classes, my boy Purvansh learned a lot of things. He improved his handwriting, he became very punctual, hard worker, and active, etc. With the online session, we are moving forward and are totally in terms with the school. Thank you so much.
Yes, I really enjoy the online classes and I am very thankful to my all the teachers.
I thank all the teachers and management who has taken initiative to create online activities. Thank you.
Thank you.
तो आपको उसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा?
हाँ पापा, मजा बहुत आ रहा है। योगा आर्ट की क्लासेस भी हो रही है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
चलो अच्छी बात है अगर आपको मजा आ रहा है तो।
Thank you to all the teachers who are putting great efforts at this pandemic time. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your everything.
कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन में ये क्लासेस कितनी यूज़फुल हैं। हमारा बच्चा प्री नर्सरी के अंदर एडमिट हुआ था और इसके हिसाब से तो हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी क्लासेस, बिकॉज़ प्ले स्कूल के बाद में स्कूल जाने के लिए अगर बच्चे को इतना लंबा गैप मिल जाता है एजुकेशन से तो उसका ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारा टाइम ख़राब हो जाता है। सो इट्स बेटर कि उसे ऑनलाइन, एटलीस्ट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस तो मिल रही हैं।
एंड एट द एंड ये कहा जा सकता है कि दिस इज़ वेरी 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 गुड डिसीजन।
Decision ensure the child's growth by continuously in both curricular and non-curricular activities like art and craft, culture, history, demography, etc. in COVID-19 period. As a parent, I would always thank to the teachers and school administration for wonderful efforts. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
क्लासेस लेने की वजह से मेरे बेटे की पढ़ाई का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा बिल्कुल भी, और वो अपनी क्लास की पढ़ाई प्रॉपर तरीके से कर रहा है स्कूल बंद होने के बावजूद ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से। तो थैंक यू विद्या भारती स्कूल।
हैं जो जिसको हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस कहते हैं, ये बहुत ही अच्छा कारगर सिद्ध हुआ है, जिससे कि हम कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा इजी कर पाए हैं और आगे फ्यूचर में भी ये कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। लोग वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से ही क्लासेस किया करेंगे और सारी जगह वर्चुअल क्लासेस हुआ करेंगी और ये हमारे लाइफ का एक पार्ट बन जाएगा और ये अच्छा भी है ताकि हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग से दूर रहें, अपने आप को बचाएं। तो मैं आपसे यही निवेदन करूंगा कि आप भी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का ध्यान रखें और वर्चुअल क्लासेस को ज्वाइन करिए। अपने बच्चों को भी वर्चुअल क्लासेस ज्वाइन कराइए, उसको सिखाइए टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है।
खाने पीने का ध्यान रखें, स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और अपने इस वायरस से बचें। सो थैंक यू।
Classes are being conducted by the schools, which has come in as a ray of hope in this time of adversity. So we want to thank the management and the teachers of the Vidya Bharati School for their continuous support and guidance in ensuring that the students are not lagging behind in their studies. So we have a message for you on this Parents' Day.
Stay home.
Stay safe. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Thank you.